Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix keeps dropping calls in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on reset network settings. Now here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.